Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'll show you an overview of your inbox at Todoist.com. Your inbox is where tasks that are not yet put into projects are found. So if you would want to put in a task and you don't know which project you would assign it to, you could just add your tasks in inbox and then edit it afterwards. So let's say I would want to put this task going to the dog park to home, but I don't know where yet. Then I could just press the task details, go to project, and click home. When I go to home, it will be added on a default section that has no name. And right now, for example, I would want to add it to pets, and there's no pet section yet. I could just add that section and then just drag and drop this task under pets. So that's an overview of how to categorize your tasks from inbox to a project. Thank you.